Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to a much needed update on OP. The OP coin or Optimism, whatever you want to call it. But we had to take a look at this. Big spike yesterday, big breakout here. Optimism went up a total of about 32%. I wanted to take this trade, but I'm not sure. I mean, I was looking at multiple trades. So I saw some other analysts talking about OP and just in general. I mean, OP, if you know the coin, and some of you will, it's just like it can be super strong. Like it can really rally very, very quickly. Like for example, in these times, it just can. So I was looking at it, and then what we got is a bullish breakout right here above the level, which OP was struggling with for a while already at 1.9 and 1.92. So then it was a small breakout. That's also one of the reasons why I didn't trust it completely. But no, it retested and super bullish. So I just wanted to do a quick update on that, what to expect from here, what's most likely, etc., etc. All right. Now, what's causing this move is, a mix of things. I mean, there's probably, just to be honest, with about almost $100 million coming from Super X in terms of volume, there probably is some manipulation going on. That's just the truth. I mean, it's crypto. Obviously, it's everywhere, manipulation, but it does seem pretty prevalent right here. I mean, if you look at this, in a matter of an hour, the price spiked up so much. It's pretty ridiculous. But it was also enhanced by, if you look at this, like there was also a ton of liquidity between 1.9 and 1.7, because obviously that was a strong resistance level. So it was also a bit of a short squeeze right here, some liquidations, and in the end, I mean, the markets were quite strong when it happened too. So now the big question is what's next, all right? Because Optimism not only broke above 1.9, it also broke above an even stronger resistance level right here between $2 and 2.08. So historically, what usually happens with Optimism is that after a big spike, after a big move with momentum like this, usually it does drop down and consolidate a bit. Now, overall, if I'm looking at this market structure on the daily time frame, for example, I would say we're going up higher. So we're going to 2.35 and 2.5. Or 2.35, 2.45. That's a nice next price target. So in general, I expect us to go up there, even if Bitcoin drops down. All right, because I do expect some bearish momentum from Bitcoin as well. Even if that happens, the scenario is still valid. Just on the daily, it looks so strong that I don't necessarily see a reason why Optimism would not get up higher. But on the short term, though, the situation is a bit different. All right, we're seeing that the open interest has started to decline a little bit, while it was increasing until 2 hours ago, something like that. So we're seeing a bit of a decline in there. If that keeps declining, if that keeps decreasing the open interest, then what's going to happen is that the optimism is going to drop down lower. And like I said, if you historically look at all of these big spikes, usually the price consolidates afterwards. It drops down a bit, consolidates, and continues. So that's also what I expect from here. All right, I expect Optimism. We have already found support at the 236 fib. Like I said, it is bullish, but I do think on the short term, we're going to see some more bearish momentum down to 2.05. Then down to $2, perhaps a bit of a spike down below $2, but in general, I think that level will hold. And then we'll start up momentum. Then we'll start to build up momentum and reach 2.35 and 2.45. That's what I expect. That's my update on Optimism. If you do have any questions, anything, let me know. I mean, in the end, also, if Bitcoin really starts crashing here, it's not what I expect, but if it really starts crashing, then I'm not sure if Optimism is going to hold $2. But for now I am. All right, so those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, like I said, let me know down in the comments, down in the pinned comment and the description. You will also find links to my own premium and signal group if you want more value from me. But for now, that's the video. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.